In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Supabase to Retool. We'll start in Supabase. Once you're inside your Supabase dashboard, look over to the left-hand side menu and open your project settings. From there, click on Data API. This section is important because it gives you the RESTful endpoint used for querying and managing your database, and that's the connection detail we need to reference as we set things up in Retool. When you're on the Data API page, find the RESTful endpoint and copy the URL. Make sure you copy it carefully so you don't miss any part of it. This URL will be used in the next part of the setup, so it's a good idea to keep it somewhere easy to paste from. Also, if your dashboard shows any private credentials or sensitive values nearby, avoid sharing those and only use what's needed for the connection. Next, head over to Retool. In Retool, go to the toolbar and click on Resources. This is where you manage external connections for your apps and workflows. Once you're there, click Create New to begin setting up a new resource. After that, choose Resource and then select PostgreSQL. Even though we started from the Supabase Data API area, the connection flow shown here continues through a PostgreSQL resource setup in Retool. So just follow the prompts exactly as shown in the interface. Now you'll arrive at the configuration screen. In the name field, paste the URL you copied from Supabase. This helps identify the resource, especially if you plan to connect multiple databases later. After that, add a description. The description can be something simple and clear, so you can easily recognize what this resource is for when you come back to it in the future. Then, add the host value. Be careful here to enter the correct host information exactly as required. Small mistakes in this field can prevent the resource from connecting properly, so it's worth taking an extra second to double check what you enter before moving on. Once everything is filled in, click Create Resource. That will finish the setup process and create the connection inside Retool. At that point, your Supabase connection should be available as a resource in Retool, ready for you to use in your apps, queries, and internal tools. If something doesn't work right away, go back and review the values you pasted, especially the URL and host, since those are the most common places where setup errors happen, and that's how to connect Supabase to Retool.